What's up, guys? I hope you all are having a good day. We are on to part 5 of Custom Route. And today we are doing Macbeth. Remember, this is a custom route, not a canon. So things are, remember, done, I gotta rephrase this. Sorry, I'm nervous, guys, but this will be probably one of the levels I won't hate a lot, because remember I said I'm not a huge Landmaster friend, but I hate the Blue Marine more, so this makes things even better. I do love this level though, the design and everything, so I hope you all enjoy, and can't wait to see y'all against Area 6. On to Macbeth. The Forever Train. The Forever Train! Here we go. I hate how much bombs I started out with. It's not good. Who would take you seriously with that mustache of yours? And those big ears, too. Pretty good, Slippy. Sounds fun as flying in the air, but you know, you'll do. You know, sort of lost that vehicle earlier. Don't worry, Peppy, I won't. I know what I'm doing. That takes care of that part. 80 hit points already. Y'all pay attention to where these gold rings are, because that's one of the challenges of the new Star Fox game. You have to find 5, so pay attention to where all the gold rings are. You never know what the challenges can reward you with. Mostly, judged by how some characters on Lata say you get one of those AR avatars, and honestly, I really love those things. Can't wait to use them. When I introduce y'all to my friend Carter, that will probably be the only time y'all don't see my face on game chat.